Before we hit the play button, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Now, let's get started. Our story begins with the reign of the Pahlavi dynasty in Iran, a period that spanned over half a century. During this era, Iranian-Israeli relations were far from antagonistic. In fact, Iran proudly stood as one of the pioneer Muslim nations to recognize the State of Israel. Further down the line, Israel focused on cultivating bonds with non-Arab states and even entered into military and security cooperation with Iran. The Iranian Revolution in 1979, led by Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, changed the dynamics between Iran and Israel. The new Islamic Republic of Iran pursued a policy of standing up to arrogant world powers, including the United States and Israel. The United States became known as the Great Satan in Iran, and Israel as the Little Satan. Limited cooperation between Israel and Iran continued into the 1980s. However, a hostile rivalry emerged as Iran built up and funded proxy militias and other groups in Syria, Iraq, Lebanon, and Yemen. A shadow war between Iran and Israel grew over the years. Israel has targeted Iran's nuclear program, which Iran claims is entirely peaceful. Iran believes that Israel and the US introduced the Stuxnet computer virus to target Iran's nuclear facilities. Israel has carried out sabotage attacks and targeted nuclear scientists. The US withdrawal from the Iran nuclear agreement in 2018 was seen as a victory for Israel. Iran has supported armed groups that target Israel, such as Hezbollah in Lebanon and Hamas in Palestine. Iran has also provided support to Houthi rebels in Yemen, who have targeted Israel and attacked shipping vessels. Israel has carried out airstrikes in Syria to prevent the flow of weapons from Iran to Hezbollah. In recent years, tensions between Iran and Israel have escalated further. In April 2024, Iran blamed Israel for an airstrike on the Iranian consulate in Damascus, Syria, which killed several senior Iranian military officers. Iran launched a retaliatory attack on Israel, leading to fears of a major regional war.